This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Where an insulator cover is fitted, depress the clips and remove the cover. Slacken the retaining nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Depress the clip each side and lift the fuse box a little. Slacken the nut, pull the positive clamp from the battery terminal, then move the fuse box to one side. Undo the screws and remove the cover from behind the headlight. Unscrew the bolt and remove the clamp from the front of the battery. Take care not to drop the clamp. Lift the battery from the tray. Unclip the various elements and remove the battery surround. Undo the retaining bolts. And lift out the battery tray. Prise off the plastic cap, disconnect the solenoid wiring plug, then undo the nut and disconnect the battery lead from the solenoid terminal. Using a socket and extension bar, slacken and remove the nut securing the earth connection and cable guide to the starter motor upper mounting bolt. Pull the cable guide to one side, then using a deep socket, unscrew and remove the starter motor upper mounting bolt. Undo the nut securing the power steering pipe bracket to the motor lower mounting bolt and move the bracket to one side. Using a deep socket again, unscrew and remove the starter motor lower mounting bolt, then guide the motor from the engine compartment. Maneuver the starter motor into position, then insert the upper mounting bolt. Insert the lower mounting bolt, then tighten both bolts to the specified torque. Refit the power steering bracket to the lower mounting bolt, then tighten the retaining nut securely. Locate the earth connection and cable guide over the stud in the upper mounting bolt. Then refit and tighten the retaining nut securely. Refit the battery lead over the solenoid terminal and tighten the nut securely. Reconnect the wiring plug to the solenoid. Press the plastic cap into place over the terminal stud. Maneuver the battery tray into position. Then refit and tighten the retaining bolts. Refit the battery surround and clip the various elements back into place. Maneuver the battery into place with the terminals at the rear. Position the clamp at the front of the battery. Then tighten the bolt to the specified torque. Clip the fuse box back into place in the tray. Push the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the positive battery terminal, then securely tighten the nut. Reconnect the negative lead clamp and tighten the retaining nut. It's a good idea to apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the cover behind the headlight and securely tighten the screws. Lower the insulator cover down over the battery, ensuring that the retaining clips engage. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.